federal tax law, inspired in part by Al Capone and his tax-evading ways, is causing trouble for legal recreational marijuana stores in Colorado and Washington state. That's because the IRS effectively double taxes these businesses. They're paying, in some cases, 70% tax compared to the 35% tax that a regular business would pay for the exact same expenses.
Let me show you how weird this gets. This is actually, just ordinary copy paper. If I use this in my office, I can't deduct it. If I buy this because I'm just making copies, I can't deduct it. But these are labels, and they go on the product itself. As it goes out the door, I can deduct this because it's a cost of goods sold.
Suburban Denver marijuana store owner Mitch Woolheiser is a proud businessman. He's got all the necessary licenses to sell legal pot, and he pays his taxes. The problem, he says, is the conflict between state and federal laws mean he's paying far higher taxes than what he thinks is fair. The conflict exists because the IRS won't let marijuana businesses deduct normal costs of business, like rent, utilities, or employees.
Oh, this guy here, he's the store manager. I can deduct some of his wages, but not all of them.
So although Colorado and Washington have both legalized marijuana, the federal government treats it like an illegal drug still. And that means the IRS treats everyone who sells it like a drug dealer.
So I'm a drug trafficker. I guess I'll confess it now. They don't have licenses like this usually. And I like to put that out there all the time because I did pay a lot of money for that. But
marijuana store owners say the best way they can avoid paying these higher taxes is to plow everything back into the business, expanding it, the precise opposite of what the law was supposed to do.
But I spend all my money staying in business because otherwise the IRS gets it. Everything I do is aimed at keeping us in business because otherwise they win, and I'm not going to let them win. They're on the wrong side of history. I have that in my favor, and I wake up every morning knowing that, and that motivates me.